All right, so we were at the track. Homie got a nail on one of his tires, so he had brought extra spares with him. Shit, boy's got a lot of meat. Ignore the mess, but let's go have fun. All right, we are back. Got a good view of those Park Shop Max coilovers. Gotta get them in real quick. More suspension stuff coming in, but he just got this. He got the hydro on. It just needs to be bled, right? Okay, yeah, but it's all good, hooked up. Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, these vents go hard though. Let's get this thing ready and let's see it shred. All right, so we're at the track event. I like to park here so I can get a good view of everybody speeding towards me, and then they, do their whoosh, or they come the other way. I'm gonna post up and we're gonna get some shots. Oh my God. Literally all of this is rubber. Oh man. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but I think he blew his motor. They're good.
My tires, I hope they're not chunky.
They're fine, I wasn't shredding. Look, I didn't even look like I touched them.
You got it down, dog?
What do you mean? If they thought I was Christian, they're probably getting really close. I'm not Christian.
Oh, that's true, huh? Think about that. Damn, poor guy over there is trying to do his job. Sheesh. Damn, Sparko seats too. Sheesh. The tow truck driver's over there just watching. Sick asshole. How are you, brother? That radiator? Oh, how you been?
I'm an overflow, so it's probably overflowing right now.
Oh yeah, for sure, for sure.
Yeah, see.
Hell yeah, the Gatorade bottle. That's how we do it. Damn, poor tow truck driver. He literally has to help them put the wheel back on so then they can load up the car onto the trailer. That sucks. Shit, dude.
It's like a roll-up. Hey, get the tire, look at this.
Why did I never go? Oh!
No, wait till you flip it over. Oh, fuck!
No, pues está cabrón.
You got zip ties?
And you ate up that rear tire, huh?
Yeah, dude.
A little bit.
Fucking. Ooh, I was going way too fast. And with little tire pressure and that shit.
I heard you said so. You have 17.
18.
18?
Yeah,
No, mom.
that is. I try to get the most grip as I can and came in hot right here. Fucking max angle and it just defeated it.
Did you beat it here, huh?
Yeah, it defeated it right here.
No, Is that Dominic Toretto?
No. Pablo.
Pablo Toretto.
How do it feel? It feels alright, huh? La neta.
Is this alright?
Oh shit, fresh side skirt. About to hold me up.
Straight off 836.
Damn.
Perfect fit, dude. Look at that.
Oh, I know. I was gonna mount it up with some zip ties and
Some
shit.
self-tappers right here in the door. Perfect.
Just
Damn, you're low as fuck, my boy.
Hey, my side skirts are camber, dog. My side skirts got more camber than your car. I have side skirts for it. Just not on. We're testing and tuning before the body kit goes on.
I figured.
The Black Sea hit that pole.
Oh, you're right. Yeah, you're right.
This
Yeah.
pole, then he almost hit your bike and he hit my fucking car.
Got me so mad when I went to the bumper.
Beto, his bumper used to be purple, dog. You knocked all the flake out of his bumper. You can't replace that bumper, dude.
It's a 50-50, but it's fucking... No, he drove his car. He was right here. I'm gonna go slide. Turns it, drives forward, and just goes... He looks around and I'm just like, you idiot. Because you know me, I said it right on the you idiot. And he fucking tries to put it in reverse. It's like... stuck. I'm just like, floor it harder. He just gets stuck. I'm pretty sure he fucking...
Shaved off a little.
Right when I was gonna offer to buy a subframe. Right over into it. Yeah.
Fuck.